Whoa. We don't do feed picks here. But you know what we do? Select FOTL, pick your color 11. Good luck. Let's do that. All right, guess the orange neon base, number to 7. We'll do that for 15. Go. Guess the neon number to 7, the non-RPA. We'll do that. We'll do that for 15. Go. What happened? Oh, thought I had some geese. Did you hear that? Oh, interesting. Try to talk loud. Yeah, you might want to go to like half the video or whatever. Let's see it. Let's see it, White. What's up, Mike V? Hell yeah. Happy Aloha Friday to everybody too, guys. It's Aloha Friday. Throw on a pink shirt. This is my luckiest shirt. We've hit some big cards in this shirt, and I hope to make this a tradition to bust out the pink shirt every time on like release days. So hopefully I want to hit the big ones for you guys. Hopefully. We all want to hit the big ones for you guys. Trust me, we all do. So I try to make it a little bit of tradition. Wear the pink. Keep the energy good, and let's do it. Good luck. Janet Kid Live, we're full. McDuffie, Ojabo, Herbert, Silver. Hurt, Silver. Damian Pierce, Andrew Booth, Blue. Nice. Jefferson for the True Blue. Danger. They need some nice Jeffersons today. I like it, Danger. There's a base of Kenny Pickett. Lambjack, Silver. Jerome Ford, rookie. Silver, so a base of Metcalf, excuse me. Crosby to 99 on the game used. I believe these should be game used. Yes. Oh, no, it's not. It's not game used. Wow, that's interesting. These are regulars, right?
Yeah.
All right, everybody got the guesses in? All right, let's keep it going. Silver of Emerson. Zamir. Watson, field level. Floyd, Silver. Connor. Josh Allen, tricolor. Nice! Danger! There's our first Kenny Pickett concourse to 149. Oh, 249. Sorry, I'm getting all my numbers mixed up. 215 to 249 on a concourse of Pickett. Nice. First colors of Pickett coming out now. Kenneth Walker, the 199. It's Mechie RPA for the Silver. Nice auto on the Mechie. Very nice auto. Very clean. Silver spot, Rhodey. Rhodey's a genius. I said Rhodey. Mechie's a great hold. Yes. Although I like Breece Hall and Kenneth Walker as well, but Hall obviously coming off of an injury. It's kind of like Easy E, red for the red. Nice. Shazad, let's go. Nice red on the Easy E. Order. Asamoah, Silver. Certain is not a rookie. I forgot. Asamoah again. Tyreek Woolen, Cam Jurgens, Wyatt, Tannehill, tricolor, Titans, goes to the tricolor. Danger cleaning up in that tricolor spot. La Colección. Hopefully I said that right. Silver of Jefferson. Olave base. King Henry. Cooper Cup silver. Rocker, good luck. Oh, is this an Eagle? Is this a Jet? Oh, it's a QB. Could it be Jalen Hurts again? It is. Premier level, Jalen Hurts to 7 in the 7th spot. Axo's on fire. Let's go, Axo. Nice. 7 of 7, last off the print. Nice. And behind that, that's the commander I kept saying, by the way. In the RPA for Robbo, it's Jahan Dotson. True 2-color RPA of Jahan Dotson. Nice. Maybe a little bit of the 3rd color actually is in there. It's a little sliver. A little sliver. Very solid break. Very solid break. I did call out Dotson, but I was waiting for you to have the Dotson, Axo. That's what I was doing. I did that strategically, Axo. You didn't believe me? Oh, whoops. It's my rookie. All right, let's recap it, guys. We'll go into our 2-boxer, which is pretty much right there. Robert, did you get taken care of from your other order, Robert, by the way? Obviously, it's release day, so it's a little bit more crazy than usual. Really?
Yeah, it's me.
Really? I'm not. Nice Jalen Hurts to 7, Pickett. Great value here because you're getting 2 autos. In this case, it was 2 patch autos, which we like. It's the break, guys. Thank you, everybody.